As a content creator, particularly using YouTube, you run into problems. Let's face it, sometimes it's really tough. You crank it out and you pour your guts out to get a good video, and then it doesn't work out real well. Wouldn't it be nice if you had someone out there, maybe an AI bot or somebody, watching over your shoulder, helping you, giving you information as you go? Well, I know exactly what you're going through. I go through that myself. I'm Terry Brock with Stark Raving Entrepreneurs. We work with people just like you to help you get these answers. And I found something that you are going to love. I've been tying into it just a little bit recently, even though it came out just a little while ago, a few weeks ago. And it is a fabulous little tool that comes from the good people over at YouTube, of all places. And they have a thing called Ask Studio. Ask Studio is the transformation that's going to revolutionize the way that you and I are working with it. Right now, they've got a new one out there that is really good, and they're adding more to it all the time, adding new features and everything. So let's take a look at that so you can see exactly what it is, how to get it started. I'm going to walk you through step by step what you need to do, what I'm doing. We're going to be doing this together and take a chance to see what it's like. Okay, we're real intimate right now. I'm actually showing you something I have never done before in all the years I've been with YouTube. I've been on YouTube since 2006. Yeah, that's a long time. Since 2006 I've been there, and I have never got in and shown the actual screen, but I wanted to do that because this is what we need to do here. I'm going to show you the screen that's here, and what you do is you go into your YouTube studio. This is how it works. You go into your YouTube studio and you'll see up here in this portion of the screen, up here on the top here, I'll get this in zoom, there's a little diamond kind of structure right here, and that's where you click on that. And when you do, this is what comes up. It's saying, hello, Stark Raving Entrepreneurs. That's who we are here in Stark Raving Entrepreneurs. And you see it gives you the information there. I am in studio right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and you can see some of the things that are available. You say, how can Ask Studio help? There we go. It also has summarized comments. So you can get a summary of the comments. Think about that. You get comments, a whole bunch of them. Wouldn't it be nice to get a way to consolidate it and summarize all of them? You can do that very quickly and easily in Ask Studio. Also, suggest a new video. Holy Toledo. This one is really good because you know when you're getting down to put the video together and you wonder, what should I do it on? Give a verbal explanation to Ask Studio, and it'll go back over your videos and find what has done the best, what people like the most. Look at the comments and what they're doing. Do they like this or not? It can do this for you very easily. Plus, summarize my channel performance. It'll let you see how you're doing. And more suggestions, all kinds of good things that you can put in there, and you'll be able to see how it works and what can be done. It's very much like other LLMs you're used to. Gemini from the folks at Google, of course, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Grok, many, many others are out there, Claude, that are available. They're really good tools, the LLMs, those large language models. But now you can use this, but it's really tightly focused on your YouTube channel, not anyone else's, but yours. And it helps you to figure out what's working, what's not, give you suggestions, and it is pretty amazing. So in this video, I want to give you some answers of what you can do and how you can use it as we go through this and take a look at it with Ask Studio, where you can supercharge your YouTube channel. You're going to discover 5 features, 5 of them particularly we want to focus on, that help content entrepreneurs, that's you and me, build and grow our YouTube channels in the presence with AI-powered insights and recommendations. So it goes through it in a real detailed way. And like I said, I'm Terry Brock with Stark Raving Entrepreneurs. We're here to help you in this, and I'd love to hear from you. Let us know how it works for you once you get into this and you start working with it and seeing the capabilities it has. So here's one of the things it does. It gives you a performance analysis. This is really handy. It's going to let you see the channel insights that you have, also the engagement metrics to find out what people are doing, and your strategy optimization. It's going to analyze your channel. It's going to take a look at video performance and help you understand what in the world is working and what isn't working. That's really nice. The engagement metrics is going to track your audience engagement, the patterns and the viewer behaviors, what they're doing, how are they reacting? Did they like it with a thumbs up? Did some people give you a thumbs down? Did they leave comments? What were the comments like? All of this there to go intimately inside it, not just you reading it, but getting real insights. And you're going to be able to identify improvement opportunities to refine your content strategy. So it's going to be there acting as a buddy to help you out. YouTube now with Ask Studio gives you the ability to get the job done, to know what is working, what isn't working, what likely could work, how your videos are doing well. Now, one of the things you'll want to do is start creating a lot of videos, because then it has more material and more data to pull from. If you give them just one video and that's all you got on your channel, it's not going to be very good. So I say for those of you that are getting started, go ahead and start using it, but start cranking out a lot of videos. Don't worry about it being perfect. Worry more about it being the kind of thing that is going to help you build your YouTube channel the way that you really want to. So let's take a look at some of the insight, the sentiment analysis that it gives you, and the insights. It will look at your comments. It'll also look at the sentiment, tracking that of what people are doing, and then your audience understanding, most important. See, what you get a chance to do is use Ask Studio because it analyzes your viewer comments to derive actionable insights into your audience thoughts and feelings about your content. In other words, find out what they like and what they don't like. People are going to tell you what they like and what they don't like, sometimes in the comments, sometimes elsewhere. And the nice thing about Ask Studio is it will let you know, hey, here's what's really going on. This is what they're really saying. I like that a lot. Then sentiment tracking. It's going to understand the emotional responses and tailor future videos to match audience preferences and expectations. You're going to be able to understand that. You're going to be able to see it and then create videos in the future based on what really is happening. Too often in video, what we do is we sit back and we go, well, you know, my gut tells me that I ought to do this or that. Well, with all due respect to your gut, it can be wrong. It's not a fun thing. Not that that's ever happened to me. No. Yes, it has. It's terrible. I mean, I look at it, I want to get, you ever want to get in a time machine, go back and just grab yourself of yesteryear, whatever that would be, and just say, shut up, sit down and listen. I want to tell you what you need to do. If you ever get that time machine thing working, let me know on that. I could really use it. So we're going to do that. But then also it gives you audience understanding, because there you're going to be able to understand the emotional responses. And then here's the real key: tailor your future videos to match the audience preferences and their expectations. You're going to be serving them better because of this. So let's take a look at some of these things here now with the content, brainstorming, and development. Look at this, giving you ideas so you can go back and forth. Should I do a video on this, or should I do it on that thing or that other thing? Maybe this topic. It's going to help you on that with some fresh ideas and topic discovery. Boy, this is going to be important right here. And then you get to go into some of the creative development to be able to find out what's happening in other areas. It will help you generate new content angles that resonate with your audience. So it's now what the audience is saying. You're growing those bigger ears that Chris Brogan tells us about. Grow bigger ears, listen better, and find out what people are really hurting on and where they need some help. And then you're going to find topics that are aligned with your channel's goals and viewer instances. This is really important. What the viewer wants, their interests, are going to be the key, because when you can do that and you provide a video that solves problems for people, they're going to come back and want to see your videos even more all the time. So this is a huge breakthrough. That Ask Studio thing is really a big deal. And we're going to develop compelling content that drives engagement and growth. Real important on that. And here's some personalized recommendations it's going to give you: data-driven insights, behavior analysis, and actionable steps. Something that you can use right there real easily. Excuse me. And it's going to give you recommendations that are based on your channel's performance data. Okay, here's what happened. Here's what is going on with that. Also, you're going to be able to understand your audience patterns and their preferences. Find out what is it they like, what they don't like, and you get a chance to know them. The more you can know your audience, the better off you'll be. And then we have the actionable steps, some specific recommendations to attract more viewers all the way through. And so here's what it gives you: some YouTube Studio guidance that you're going to get. You're going to get platform navigation, which means it's going to help you to get expert help navigating YouTube Studio's features and tools effectively. Already in just a little time I've been using Ask Studio, I've thought, gee, how do I do this? Well, I just ask it. How do I do this? How can I do that? Can you do this for me? And it'll come back and say, yes, here's how you do it. You click on this and that, and it shows me the things that are available. And other times it'll say, I am not able to do that. And that's literally the words I think it says. I am not able to do that. Well, that's okay, because I got a feeling the kids over there at YouTube who are really, really smart, and we really love what they're doing, they are looking at it. If they get a lot of those I am not able to do that kind of requests that come up, they're going to go, hey, whole bunch of the folks out there want to know how to do this, so they can start doing it. I'm not in charge of that, but I just know that's kind of the way they operate. They want to find out where we have pain and see what they can do to help us out on it. So a lot of good stuff happening there in some really important areas. Plus, some tips and best practices. So you're going to get actionable tips so you can optimize your channel management workflow. Find out what you should be doing and maybe where you should avoid doing some things that are out there that you've been doing, but stay up on top of it that way. And the channel growth. You're going to be able to utilize the platform features to manage and copy and grow your audience reach. That's what we're going to be able to do. This gives you the ability to do that in a powerful way like never before. And so Ask Studio is going to give you the ability to supercharge your YouTube channel. You're going to discover features that are there, be able to see how they work, what can be done with them, and how they can work. Now, here we're talking about these 5 channels, those 5 features that are available for you. And so you want to look at that, see the kinds of capabilities and what can be done. And also, our Stark Raving Entrepreneurs program is something that you might want to look into to get some extra help on that. Our AI Tools Mastery, we help you with that, helping a lot of people with it, so you can learn about leveraging Ask Studio, ChatGPT, Gamma, and many other tools as well. Plus growing your business and then getting some expert advice. We're here to help you and help you get the kind of tools that you need when you're putting them together. And I would love to hear from you. Matter of fact, let's help each other on this. Leave a comment down below. Let me, and we all know the comments are important, and the like and the subscribe, those kind of things, really good. If this is right for you, we want to hear from you on how that can happen. And we want to hear from you on the comments so we can start putting together other features, other issues that are going to help you in a huge way. So we're going to look at that. We're going to help you to transform your YouTube channel using cutting-edge AI tools to create the compelling content, understand that audience deeply, and to grow your channel with data-driven strategies. So this is going to be fun. A lot of things that you can do with it, and a lot of things that are going to help you to get ahead and to do the kind of work that you need to do. This is what we're here to help you with here at Stark Raving Entrepreneurs. And what we want to do is give you some other videos that are going to help you right now. You're going to see the videos coming in here, and we're going to let you see how you can start working with ChatGPT to get even more results using these tools. I'm Terry Brock with Stark Raving Entrepreneurs, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.